What's up, HWJ family? So we're back. We're doing a science experiment. So today with me I got
Little Jada, Patton,
and Sebastian, all right? And what we have right here is a science kit. So before we get started, scientist Jada needs the right equipment. She needs her goggles and she needs her jacket. Let's get that on now. All right. We always need to practice safety, right, guys? Yeah, so now that Jada is ready, she's going to be leading all the experiments. Jada, if you want to go ahead and open it up, see what we got inside. All right, so we have a notebook, keep a log of each experiment, thermometer, some of the,
I shook my head. I'm doing this one.
some beakers. All right, we got a mat for easy cleanup. Another beaker, seems like for another experiment. What else is in there?
Yes.
We have a timer. And we have some pencils to keep track of all the experiments.
Jessica, get the color dye. Oh, I see it.
All right, so we followed the instructions. We got 100 milliliters of water with the color dye, and then we mix 1 level teaspoon of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Now it's time to see what happens when you pour in the water and mix the water with these two ingredients. I want y'all to drop in the comment section, what do you think is gonna happen? It's gonna be some type of chemical reaction. You think it's gonna fizzle, bubble up, it's gonna create smoke? What do y'all think?
I think it's going to fill up the whole house.
Fill up the whole clubhouse, we'll have to clean it with this one little towel?
Yes.
What do you think is gonna happen, Jada, when you mix the water with the...
It spelled white, and then she cut the whole cup.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so it's time to see. You're gonna slowly pour the water and the two ingredients that you mix together. All right, let's see. Very slow. Whoa. Are y'all seeing that? So as y'all can see, there was a bubble reaction. Fizz. That's pretty cool. Is that what y'all expected?
Yeah.
No, it's not what you expected?
I thought it was going to be less, like, right there.
Yes. All right.
I thought it's to hold the
I thought it was going to go...
All right, so the first experiment was a success. We ended up using the red dye pebbles, I think that is. It looked purple, but it came out red. So now we're gonna use the blue ones to get that reaction. I've already mixed in the 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Now I'm getting ready to mix in the sodium bicarbonate. And Ro's gonna go ahead and drop the color dye in the water and start mixing it up.
It's so dark blue.
The dark blue color.
Wait, there's still...
Now we're gonna mix in this 1 teaspoon.
That's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
All right, Sebastian said that's enough.
I don't this.
All right, Roy, you want to pour it in?
Yep.
No, me too.
Here we go. Oh.
What? More.
Sure?
Yeah. More.
That one was good.
You want to do the orange one now?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So we have our scientist Sebastian with us today. First thing, We have to mix 1 teaspoon of citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. So Sebastian, what color are you going to turn your water?
I'm gonna put it in this.
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange. Good job.
We'll put it in this.
You're going to pour the water in this, and then what's going to happen? What's going to happen,
blue.
scientist
No,
Sebastian?
Orange.
It's going to make orange?
Yeah.
Is it going to do anything?
Yeah.
What?
What's?
It's going to fizzle up?
Yeah.
Yes, y'all heard that.
And it's
Scientist
good.
Sebastian said it's going to fizzle up and it's going to be an
That's
orange
enough.
lava
enough.
overflow. That's enough?
Yeah.
All right, tell me when to stop, okay?
Top.
Stop?
Yeah.
All right, he said to stop.
I'm gonna fish it in them now. No, wait.
Here you go. Here's your stirrer. Okay, so now, Sebastian, you're going to put the orange tablet in the water. Now stir it up. Careful. Hold it for her, Jada.
Yellow.
Keep stirring.
It's yellow.
Oh, it's yellow, not orange.
You want to do purple now.
No, just one color, okay?
And then you can do it tomorrow. Like every day. Smush it up like this. You're done.
Let me see.
It's yellow, not orange. Not yellow. Not orange. Yellow!
It's yellow.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be orange. I was wrong.
Why are you doing that?
That way we can mix it up some more.
You do purple now.
No, just one color, okay?
It's yellow?
Mm-hmm. I thought it was going to be orange.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I guess kind of like the purple one is actually red, so
Yeah, and like the blue one
it's
was
actually dark blue. All right. So now, you got to mix these two together.
Me how to do that.
Use the dry side. Break it down.
Me how to do that. Me how to do that.
You know how to do that?
Yeah. Oh, and make blue?
It's going to make yellow.
No, it didn't. It make orange.
Orange?
Yeah. No.
Oh no. Okay, stop pouring. Is it gonna overflow? It overflowed. Oh no. What did you do? Wow. That was crazy.
But it's chemical.
Yeah.
Oh no.
The baby's in this now.
Whoa, that was amazing,
I put
Bash.
it in this now and show it.
We always start off with a teaspoon of each.
You want dump it. You
Okay.
want dump it.
And then Jada has 2 colors. What colors do you have, Jada?
Orange, no, yellow and blue.
So it looks orange. When it hits the water, it turns yellow. And the light blue one actually turns dark blue, correct? So Jada, if you mix those two in the water, what color does that make?
Green.
Green.
And Mama
I think
told
it's
me
like
brown.
light green, like light green.
No, dark green. That's the big one.
Okay.
In the
So
water.
we have the 2 mixed up. All right, Jada, if you want to mix that real quick while I get some water for you. Now we need 100 milliliters of cold water.
Cold, why not cold?
Is that 100?
And this and
All
gold.
right. there goes that green she said.
Told you it's gonna be light green.
That's so
A little
cool.
bit dark.
No, it's gonna get dark because you have it mixed up.
Whoa, that's a cool
It's
green.
like an alien green.
Alien green. Now she's going to pour it
It
in.
is good.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Don't want to go off the thing. That's a good one.
Crazy. And it's about to go back up.
Ow.
It's still going.
It's still going.
It is all purple. Sipping up.
It stops right there.
Okay. Pour it in there.
And now.
All of it.
Oh,
It looks like a root beer fruit.
that was big. That was a root beer.
It does.
I'm gonna think it.